channel. This is Ivy, and today I'm gonna show you how I do my makeup before my video, or well, before I do any type of fashion videos or any type of photo shoot. I'm gonna show you the basic steps I take to do my makeup. So stay tuned. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it at the end, you know what I'm saying? So first off, I'm gonna start by applying my primer, which is the Maybelline Master Primer by Face Studio. It's a primer slash base. It's called Blur Plus Smooth and it's in 100. So I always use this. It's a really great primer. Like, don't sleep on these drugstore brand. Like, don't sleep on this. This you could get at Rite Aid. I think that's exactly what guys told me. The Rite Aid or Walgreens. Super cheap, super affordable, and super good. Like, kid you not. Next, I'm going to apply this Naked Skin Concealer by Urban Decay. This concealer is so good. It matches my skin so perfectly. I just usually put it under my eyes right here. Like, not under my eyes. I usually put this concealer. Like, let me show you guys exactly where I put it. I just take the mirror real fast to see how it looks. I usually put it right here above my eye. You see right here above my eye and under my eyes and here. That's usually where I put it, and like right here in the side, on the side of my face, I have a little dark spot right on my chin right here because it tends to look a little too red for me, and I like to like highlight that area, so I don't want it to look red and highlighty, because sometimes I use different type of highlighters that's like supposed to just look mostly shiny, so I don't want it to look like red and shiny. That just looks like, oh my gosh, a mess. Put my concealer here, then I blend it up. If y'all can hear the dog barking, that's next door neighbor's dog. But anyways, the foundation I use is this Beyond Perfect foundation by Clinique. I've been using it forever and a day now. So I like to apply my foundation all over my face in circles, but not too much. Let me just show you how I do it. I take the same thing that comes in there, and I take it and I dab it on my face in circle around my forehead. Then go down in the middle of my face like I'm making a cross. I think I might be running out soon. I put it right here. I don't like to have too much foundation. Yes, I put it under my neck and stuff like that because, for one, I want to make sure I match fully with my makeup, and you have to do that because you don't want to have your face, like have your face look way a different color. Like, some people looking like they have on masks, like this around your face is just like a whole different color from the rest of your body, and you're like, oh my god, what the is that? Anyways, I hope I end up looking like that. But yes, I go back over with the same brush that I have used to brush out the concealer. So the next thing I'm gonna do now is apply my eyeshadow. Yes, Urban Decay again. So I'm using this Naked Urban Decay Smoke Palette, and it's really good. I've had this for a long time also. I think I've had this for like 2 years now. That's how long it's lasts. And look at the colors, like not even gone yet. And I've used this a lot. Like, this is my go-to eyeshadow. This Highlight Studio highlighter. I can't pronounce the name on it, so I'm gonna try to show you. For my blush, I'm gonna use Blush Me by Sephora. This is so cute. Look at this little cute container for you guys. Like, super cute. I love it. It's a cute, calm red blush. You could just apply like this. Ooh. Like that. But what I prefer to do is apply it with my brush, so I can apply it more evenly. So I take my brush, the same brush I use when I'm blushing. The same brush I use when I'm doing my highlighter, I take it and I rub it all over, make sure it's like really in there, cause you know, whatever. So I'm basically done. I went ahead and did my eyebrows and my eyelashes off camera, because it was going to take too much time if I try to do it on camera, and plus it's just like, I already have a video on how I do my eyebrows, and I think I have a video on how I do my eyelashes, but if I don't, one is coming soon, and I know I have a video on how I do my eyebrows, so go check it out. If you want to see how I did my eyebrows, it was faster to do it while I could focus, and I just went ahead to my mirror and I did it. Like, I already have a video up of me doing my eyebrows, so go check that out, please. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and if you want me to show you how how exactly I got these eyebrows, then give me a thumbs up and leave it in the comment below. It's put on my lipstick, and basically that's I had these lipstick sample I got from Urban Decay, and I had this really cute lip gloss, so I'm gonna put them together, and that's what I'm gonna use. Super cute sample, don't you guys think? Yes, I gotta put a little bit more on it because I want to like make it a little bit thicker on my lips, but so far so good. I ain't going to. So thank you guys for watching. If you want me to keep on uploading these makeup videos, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you can get notified as soon as I post. And leave a comment down below to let me know what you think of this look. Tell me if there's a step that I missed, or if there's like a look that you want me to try, or if you just want me to keep uploading makeup videos. Leave a comment down below and hit that thumbs up so I can know you like it.